Welcome back. This is the second part. In the last video you saw how I pried open this in a MagicJackGo, and I'm gonna further open that, which I attempted to do. It's not that easy. So basically there was this thing stuck on top of the telephone in RJ45 and RJ11 sockets. This thing was there, so I had to cut it with my blade from one side and the other so this can come out, this little thingy, and slowly I had to pry open with my screwdriver. And don't go too deep because there is circuitry inside, small SMD circuitry. You don't want to damage that. So let's do the rest of it in front of you now. And it's not that easy. Being very gentle. Okay, this one is a little stuck here. I don't want to break the USB socket, but I do want to get to the back of this to see why my networking lights are not working. It could be many things. I pulled out the data sheet on a few of those. This is the optocoupler here, and I checked, looks okay to me. And this is the transformer. It's called UTH16C01 10 by 100M base single port transformer, and this is right here. So this is, I checked the inputs and outputs, they look all fine to me, but you know, when in a circuit you could get a false positives because it could come back from the other side. So let's get to this slowly. And this is important. Okay, slowly I get back. Okay. Something is stuck there. Let's see what okay. Alright. Come on, baby, come on. This is getting stuck, this one here. The USB socket, I think it's nicely glued to that. And I don't want to be harsh. You can see there it is. Okay, let's try with little wedge on this side and see if this could help. Alright, something broke. Maybe the little notches there. Alright, come on. Get back. Looks to me that this plastic is bonded. I must remove that and see if I could get this thing over here. I think that's the one that is preventing it. Looks like that's the one. That is the one. this one here. So I may have to cut it just like I did the other side. Trying to be cautious. It's slipping down. Let's give it a cut then. Cut it from this side. Very hard ABS plastic on nylon. There you go, this is gone. Now it's easy. Hey, bingo. This is it. Alright, let's see the underside. That little off. That's okay. We have to check this. This is another optocoupler. I still have to get the data sheet. Another regulator, another small regulator. Maybe a diode here. What does it say? Let's see. What does it say? It says 0153 something. This is 2. I can't see that. Pretty small. Let's see. Winnie Brain, something like that. But I'll have to get my lens. Okay, another diode here. There's something burnt. Let's see, this is little off in color. Little choke. Capacitor. Alright, thanks for watching. Watch for more. Subscribe, like. Thank you. MagicJackGo. Never seen one before here. There you go.